how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you another yummy breakfast recipe, Pesarattu, which is made with whole moong dal and little bit of rice. It's a very fulfilling and very nutritious breakfast. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. There are so many breakfast recipes available on my channel. If you didn't get a chance to check them out, please do. Link is in the description box below. Please do like, comment, subscribe and share if you like my videos. Now let's go and see this yummy recipe. So let's soak dal and rice for making pesarattu. We are soaking the whole moong dal, 1 cup whole moong dal and 1/4 cup of rice. Exactly 1/4 cup. We'll take off little bit of rice, but this is 1/4 cup. This is it. Wash nicely and soak it overnight, and it will be ready for your breakfast tomorrow morning. So I'll show you what to do tomorrow morning. Let it soak overnight in sufficient amount of water. So this is how it becomes after soaking overnight. It's nice and little bit softer. We can grind it now. I'll show you how to grind it. Our batter is ready to be grinded. I added moong dal to the mixer, and we are going to add 2 or 3 chilies and 1 small ginger piece. We are going to add all of this, and these are for toppings, onions and chilies finely chopped. Next we are going to add 1 teaspoon of jeera and salt to taste, and little pinch of turmeric for that nice color, and add sufficient amount of water. Don't make it too loose, otherwise you won't get dosas. So add sufficient amount of water and make smooth batter, and then we'll make our dosas. This is the consistency of the batter. It should be neither too thick nor too thin. It should be in the middle. So let's make our dosas. So let's see how to make this yummy pesarattu. The pan should be medium hot, not too hot. Wipe the pan clean, and before we make the dosa, put some oil in so that dosa will nicely come out crispy. It won't be that crispy like normal dosa, but it has a very different taste and very tasty. And I'm going to take 2 ladles of the batter, but start with 1 if you are a beginner. Just keep swirling until the desired consistency. That's it. Look how delicious that looks. And we are going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. It will taste really good. And we are going to add our onions and chilies that we previously cut. Let it cook nicely until it's browned up from the bottom. You can clearly see it, and then we'll turn it over for a minute and take it out. Press your onions and chilies a little bit so that they will nicely go into your dosa, and run your spatula over your dosa so that the oil is evenly distributed. This should be done after 1 minute of putting the dosa. Don't immediately do it, otherwise your batter will come off of the tawa. So keep in mind that. See that the dosa is nicely browned up. You can see the brown spots. It is ready to be flipped. So carefully take it out and flip it. Look at that delicious dosa. Let it cook for 1 minute on the other side and it will be ready to be served with your favorite chutney and hot tea or coffee. It will taste really awesome. It's been 1 minute since this has been frying. Look at that brownness and everything. Just fold it over and ready to be served with your favorite chutney. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.